Hey Taj, what are you doing?
Oh, guarding the baby.
Guarding the baby? What are all these things around McCoy?
We have to put him around so no monsters can get him.
That is nice. Are you guys baby protectors again today?
Yeah, we're always the baby protectors.
Show me how you usually protect the baby. What do you usually do?
We hug him.
Oh, what do you and Brody usually stand in front of him and do what? Yeah. And what do you say?
We are the baby protectors.
Brody, are you protecting baby McCoy too?
I'm taking some toys here.
Is that helping to protect him?
Yeah.
I think that's why he's doing so well? Why he's so happy and ready to party this morning?
Uh-huh. He has good brothers. That's why he likes to wake up.
He does have good brothers, huh? You know how old he is today?
How?
Today he is, let's see, 16 days old.
16?
Brody, gentle. Yeah, he's just over 2 weeks old.
But he's only 0.
Yeah, he is 0. He'll be 0 all year. But that's why we count up in days and months instead of years. So he's 16 days old.